top tips for this paper, the biggest one by a long way, which is repeated again and again in the examiner's reports, is exam technique. The biggest issue students have is an inability to communicate clearly with the marker. It's a bit of a game to play with the marker, and it shouldn't be like that, but that's the way it is. So my recommendation to you is to read other people's answers and see how easy it is to get the message out of what they're trying to say, and turn your answers around to make them easy to mark. A second tip is to always make sure you use the scenario. This is an advanced level paper. You're not going to get many marks for pointing out facts or repeating things that are told to you in the scenario. What you need to do is to talk about the consequences of those things, the implications of them, add some value, and give the marker an aha moment when they're reading your point. And finally, time management. There will be some numbers in this exam, but the numbers often don't attract many marks. They're a starting point for discussion. Get through those numbers as quickly as you can and give yourself plenty of times on the discussion, because that's where all the marks are.